Hello family, I made this video purposely to compare and contrast things between one of my videos and BINANCE's recent video about his success on Facebook for doing social marketing and social media marketing online. And I'm doing this video, those two videos that I want you guys to compare me and him, not kind of in a bad way comparison, but content being published here is kind of a similar, so in different ways. I was talking about the YouTube ad revenue, and he is talking about utilizing Facebook to do online marketing. So this is my video, one of my first videos being posted on the channel. Here, take a look about it, and you can compare that with BINANCE's video about marketing on Facebook. Thank you very much and enjoy the videos. Let's dive in. Hello family, I just want to let you know that we are wasting time on Facebook a lot. Unless you are providing a service or you are selling a product on Facebook, you will make money there. But on YouTube, if you reach this criteria set by YouTube, you will get into that partnership program where when you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you get into that YouTube partnership program where you get paid for your content that you upload. So like for every 1,000 views you get from a video, they'll pay you. It's like for the third world countries, we get paid $3, and for those first world countries, they get paid $5. So for example, like for us in PNG, if we they pay us for $3 for 1,000 views, and we convert that currency $3 back to PNG Kina, we get $9. So if for the threshold, in order for you to withdraw your funds from YouTube, it's like you have to reach $100 to withdraw that fund into your bank account.
Yesterday, I was putting some post about all car. Now, old man, all to the practice red. Yes, also like car, me making money through all social media, especially Facebook and TikTok. Me making money, me buy most the car. But okay, maybe I just give him on the platform, asking me how you make money, how you make money. Me making plenty videos, finish, how you make money. Me no hide on something. Now, I'm stop. You truly angry or so, you find him, you search, go by looking. All videos style. Okay, let me make a quick recap, person. Just for the benefits of or less man who said less look or sets na look him no look I'm asking okay. First thing, social media platforms like Facebook, it's paponin no eligible for monetization. The only platform where Mr. Osman paponin eligible for monetization is YouTube. This time I'm fully aware of it. But Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all this time, me no saw, because from my knowledge, Mr. Osman, Paponin is not eligible for monetization. Those stuff, Facebook, all stuff, social media platforms, apart from YouTube. Okay, come back to me. Me no some making money on monetization, all social media platforms for me. What Mr. making? Mr. convert him all custom, all Mr. convert him all fans, now followers to me, social media platforms to me into clients. Okay. How do I do that? You must get angry to make something. Yeah? You must get angry to make something. You must get purpose why you make understanding. So as you go to social media platforms, you must get reason why. You must get good reason why you go up. Not just go, passing time, wasting data, and you need money blue. No that. So kind of, let me give an example. Let me give an example. So as you making business, first of all, you go now register on the business lo IPA. Come on the business name, register on the business on the IPA. Go to tax office, sim TIN number blue, tax identification number. Go create a bank account blue. Now you start a business blue. Now you create a Facebook page, business Facebook page, blue blah. Those are the business now you start. Now you start, advertising business blue. So blooming by you make a tupla like a page where me is very active. And another one is like Caribbean blog follow stuff. Thank you. Another am yelling real estate or values, yelling values. Profession blooming. Okay, Miss Salim is yelling values business to me. Miss Salim through logical social media platforms to me. Okay, some time. Big no money, Mr. Making referrals, na sales commission. Mr. Gwel Mulman or landlord to sell properties blow. Mr. Mulman no sell car blow. Mr. Mulman no sell all machineries blow, equipments blow. Mr. Mulman no sell more office equipment blow, or stationaries. Na mix commission. And then me all SME now to some start. Lo make him advertisement blow. Let this open some little fees lo me. That's why I make money. And me talk you. Me losing work lo 2020 and now I'm a full-time Facebooker, I'm a full-time TikToker, I'm a full-time YouTuber. Me make him sales lo, me generate more clients lo. Me look some money lo monetization.
Yes, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you guys get some value out of these videos. And please do not hesitate to support your brother. Please give a like to my video and subscribe to my channel. I'll be still dropping many interesting content, as I have always been saying, and I will still say it. Thank you very much for watching. Much love and stay blessed. Kids.
Today is a gift, for we don't know what tomorrow might bring. Life is too short for so, and I don't like holding on to little brothers that will keep on taunting me. Just wanna live my moments with the happiness. That's what I say. What do I want pay? You should let it go and just forget it all, yo. They say life is a race, and I'm on the chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams, yeah. They say life is a race, and I'm on the chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams, yeah. Oh, yeah.